Hi everyone, learn the simple head wrap with 3 yards of ankara material. Let me show you how I achieved this. I started by folding the ankara into 2, then into 4. After folding it into 4, I'm going to be placing it on my head, and the measurement I'm going with is 90-10. So before I place it on my head, I'm going to arrange it because it is very long. Okay, I told it is 3 yards. So after arranging it now, I'll place it on my head. The measurement is 90-10. The shorter part is 10 while the longer part is 90. Okay, so after taking this measurement, I'm going to arrange it. Okay, so see this side I folded in. I'm going to bring it out later. Then I'm going to be making a knot here. After knotting, I'm going to arrange it, then take this 10 up, take it up, tuck it in, cover the space and secure with a pin. So once I'm done securing, I'll be left with a 90. So after securing, now see what I'm going to do with the leftover now. I'm going to open it up, then fold the edges in before I'll begin to wrap. You can see it is very long. I'm going to fold the edges in. After folding it in, I'm going to wrap to the end. It is very long, okay, so you just have to be patient and continue wrapping. Don't forget, you have to practice this so that you can be able to tie this by yourself. Okay, so once I'm done wrapping, I'm going to take it around my head. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it round. Continue to take it round. That's the second time. Then the last one, the third time. Take it round. Then this last part here, I'll secure it at the back. After securing it with a pin, I'm going to arrange this back here. Okay, you can see this back is pointing. I'm going to arrange it. So this is the head wrap. You can see it is very easy and very simple. Once you follow the steps, you are going to get it right. How do you see it? Write it at the comment section. This is the back, the side and the front. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye bye.